guys, this is a horrible shot, isn't it? I'm going to show you how to go from this to this masterpiece. Let's dive into the setup. First up, the background. Picking the right backdrop is crucial. It needs to match the aesthetic and vibe of the video. Once you've got the perfect backdrop, make sure it's hung perfectly smooth. Yes, that means ironing. Any creases or wobbles will mess with the shot, and we can't have that, can we? Next, let's build the set. We want as much subject separation as possible from the background. In this small studio, that means bringing me as far forward from the backdrop as space allows. Every inch counts here.
That's what she said.
It's looking good. Time to add some props. Plants for some foreground and background elements, a practical light, and a few contextual props to make the scene feel well lived in. Alright, now it's time to hit that like button and get into the lighting. Lighting's all about control. Step 1, eliminate all ambient light. That means blackout curtains and turning off the house lights. Okay, well, maybe we'll finish setting up first. We're going with a very simple 3-point light setup, and we're going to be assembling it back to front just for ease of access in this tight space. First, the hair light goes above and behind the subject on a C-stand. Barn doors will help prevent spill onto the backdrop. Next, the key light, a 60-watt video light with a softbox positioned about 45 degrees off the subject. Lastly, the fill light, positioned 45 degrees on the opposite side, but further back to keep the lighting a little bit dynamic and soft. All these lights are set to 5400 Kelvin for consistent white balance, except for the practical light, which is a touch warmer, just to add a little bit of flavor and texture to our shot. Now let's talk camera setup. We're using a Canon EOS R8, a full-frame mirrorless camera with a 50mm lens, perfect for this space. Now, it might not always seem it, but I do actually rehearse all my scripts, but my memory is terrible, so I use a teleprompter. The camera is mounted on the teleprompter as far back as possible to minimize eye movement in the shot, and the whole setup is on a tripod at eye level. You'll see a laptop in the scene. It's not just a prop, it's connected to the camera so that I can monitor and control the shot right from the set. Next up is audio. I'm using a Rode NTG5 shotgun mic plugged into a Zoom H5 for preamp and phantom power, and that's then lined into the camera. This studio is acoustically treated, so there is no reverb issues to worry about. The mic's just boomed over and near my head, pointed at my chest for clean audio. And as you can hear, it is super clean.
Nice.
I absolutely love this shot, and even if you don't have all this gear, you can still get similar results at home just by following the principles that I've shown you here. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.